Hello, Margaret Haddock, President of EUSC. Welcome to Unit 6. Unit 6 looks holistically at the whole process of supported employment and is called Monitoring and Job Placement Plan Assessment. This is looking at how you as a supported employment professional have accessed, profiled, kept documentation throughout the supported employment journey for the client. This will start at the early stage with assessment, or as we prefer calling it, job profiling. It looks at models of progression for the individual, but also for you as a supported employment specialist to see how you have brought the person from unemployment to employment. During the assessment stage, we'll all use different forms and different tools which will meet the needs of wherever we are working. But some of the core components are necessary. We need to ensure we have all the personal details and personal competences of the client that we are trying to place in the workplace. Therefore, it's important to gather as much information as possible and make an assessment, a baseline assessment of where the individual is. During the process of supported employment, it is hoped that the client will move forward with some of the skills areas that they struggle with. For example, potentially working as part of a team. Actually, during their assessment process and the supported employment process, they're part of a team of two. You, as a supported employment specialist, and themselves, as they plot the way forward to finding a job. Once a job has been found, it's also important to monitor the progress and see how far the client has travelled. This is important again to do another baseline and do the comparison between the original entry data and the final data when the person has the job. As a supported employment professional, it's really important that you gather correct, accurate information that is going to assist the client with disability access the world of work. It's important you know and understand the level at which they can operate, whether that be on a bus, a train, whether it is to manage money, or whether it is in the workplace being able to move about and find their way with other colleagues. These things are all important to note. It's no good for you as the supported employment specialist to have conversations with the client and know this information and keep it just in your head. It's really important that good documentation and a good evidence and transparency of that evidence is available should anyone else need or require to assist you in the journey to work for that client.